Hello, my name is Zach Shadell, and I'm from Repro Products. Today I'm excited to introduce you to the HP Designjet XL 3800 multifunction printer, a powerhouse designed to meet all your large format printing needs with efficiency and precision. The HP Designjet XL 3800 is the fastest color printer in its class, capable of printing up to 6 ArcD pages per minute. It develops top quality CAD drawings and renders, ensuring your projects move forward smoothly and your team stay productive.
The HP Designjet XL 3800 is the fastest color printer in its class, capable of printing up to 6 AD color pages per minute. It delivers top quality CAD drawings and renders, ensuring your projects move forward smoothly and your team stay productive. With the first page out in just 20 seconds, you won't have to wait long for your prints. This printer keeps your workflow efficient and your projects on track. The XL 3800 produces excellent CAD drawings and graphics, making it perfect for both monochrome and color projects. Made with 33% recycled plastics and using recyclable cardboard-based cartridges, this printer helps reduce your environmental footprint.
Not only is the HP XL 3800 more powerful than the XL 3600, it's also sleeker and more compact in design.
Loading and unloading paper in the HP Designjet 3800 is a breeze. Simply open the front drawer, place the roll of paper on the spindleless drawer, and close it. The printer will automatically load the paper and align it for you. To unload, just tap the unload button on the control panel, and the printer will retract the paper roll for easy removal. Changing the inks is just as simple. When an ink cartridge is low or empty, the printer will notify you. Open the ink compartment, remove the old cartridge, and insert a new one. Make sure to shake the new cartridge before inserting it to ensure optimal performance. The HP Designjet XL 3800 features advanced scanning technology that allows you to scan documents quickly and efficiently. With a linear scan speed of up to 3 inches per second in color and 10 inches per second in grayscale, you can digitize your documents with ease. The intuitive 15-inch front panel makes it easy to navigate and manage your scans. Security is a top priority with the HP Designjet XL 3800. It comes equipped with HP Wolf enterprise security features, protecting your printer, data, and network from cyber threats. You can monitor the status of your printer through the centralized command center, ensuring your information remains secure at all times.
In summary, the HP Designjet XL 3800 is a versatile, efficient, secure solution for all your large format printing needs. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to speaking with you.